Hello guys, hope you all doing well. Today I'll be showing you how to create a bootable USB. If you want to install Windows on your laptop, on your PC, you have to have it on a USB for it to load from it, to boot from that USB. So, or any other applications like Proxmox. I'll be posting another video after this one about Proxmox. Uh, it's amazing. It's a virtualization just like VMware. VirtualBox, it's free. Uh, it doesn't have that much features. VMware has a lot of features. It's not free and it's expensive to get the license. Uh, Proxmox is free and it has a lot more features than VMware and VirtualBox for sure, in my opinion. So now, how to create a Rufus, how to create a bootable USB. So we have to go on Google, download Rufus. So I already have it downloaded, but just download Rufus, press on this one, it will download in your downloads, double click on it, easy to install, nothing complicated at all. So just follow the steps. I already have it, so I'm not gonna download it, or I will download one just to show you. So not the ad. Okay, close the ad when it pops up. So that's Rufus. So now we gotta click on it, and then a screen will pop. Press yes. That's Rufus. That's all you have to do. Just maybe because I have it in the system already, but nothing more than next probably just to install it. Alright, so now this is how it will appear. You would need to have a USB plugged in or inserted into your PC or laptop. And then you have to have the image installed. So example, you have to have the ISO image. So I'm just gonna go ahead with Proxmox and show you how to. So over here we go download uh, Proxmox ISO, and then we click on the first link. This is the one. We download it. So it will take a while. Well, 3 minutes, not bad. But I already have the image. I already downloaded it. So once it's downloaded, what we have to do is go and select wherever you save the download. For me, I saved it in the ISO images, and then right here Proxmox. I'll do open, click OK, OK, and then after that do start. Warning: all data on the device Windows 11 Pro English, that was the name of the USB. That's the name of the current USB I have it inserted. So we press OK, and then writing image right now. So once this one is completed, you can safely unplug the USB and then plug it into your new machine or whatever you want to boot the ISO on. That's it for Rufus. That's how you create a bootable USB. You can have Windows Server, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, doesn't matter. If your Windows is not functioning, delete the whole system and reboot from here. As long as you have the activation code, even the activation code you can get it for free sometimes, not sometimes on the websites. But if you have purchased it and you paid money for it, just it's a good idea to keep the key before you delete it. Alright guys, hope that was helpful. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.